Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to change a private channel to a public channel on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Choose the channel you want to make public. Then tap on the name of your channel from the top of your screen. You will see the pen icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on it. Now tap on the channel type. Tap on the public channel. You need to create your link to change your private channel to public. Tap on the public link. Here enter the link you like. Remember the link you provide should be available. Once done, tap on the tick mark from the top right corner. And you will change your Telegram channel from private to public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you can change your private channel to a public channel on Telegram. If you like our video then, don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.